Welcome to another episode in our series on asset operations management. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to take a close look at the fifth pillar of asset operations and why it's more of a continuous life cycle than just a moment in time. We'll explore how this concept can help us navigate the current challenges in the manufacturing industry, such as labor shortages and high turnover rates. Plus, stay tuned to understand why asset operations management isn't just another trend, but a fundamental shift that can unify your teams and data for better business decisions. Let's get started. Let's set the scene. The manufacturing industry is currently facing a labor shortage and high turnover. Meanwhile, the demand for maintenance workers is expected to grow by 13% over the next decade due to the adoption of new technologies. But here's the kicker. As many as 2.1 million manufacturing jobs in the U.S. are predicted to remain unfilled through 2030. Employers are finding it 36% harder to find talent today than in 2018. Plus, attrition rates are sky high at 25%. Imagine having to replace your entire workforce every 4 years. That's the reality we're facing. So how do we address this? We believe the solution lies in a shift in mindset, where teams are better supported, valued, and understood. This isn't just important, it's absolutely critical for our industry. Now, let's talk about why asset operations management is essential for teams. It's not just a buzzword, it represents a fundamental shift in how systems operate within companies. It's designed to unify teams and their data to inform business decisions. And remember, it's not just about managing assets. Teams need to consider how these assets and their utilization impact the business. By doing so, maintenance, reliability, and operations teams can earn a seat at the revenue table. But to get there, these teams need full visibility across the entire life cycle. You might be tempted to dismiss asset operations management as just another trend, but there are 4 elements that ensure its long-term value in your company. First, it unifies maintenance, reliability, and operations. It's a purpose-built solution that tracks asset, cost, and revenue data. This gives teams a powerful tool for managing complex multi-team workflows. The result? Your company becomes one team working together to achieve a common goal. Second, it's intuitive and easy to use. Despite its complexity, asset operations management requires minimal training. The system's constant evolution delivers immediate improvements in productivity and decision-making. Third, it provides a command center for data. This solution combines data from active and passive sources, organizes team data, and connects asset data to executive metrics. This command center also serves as a dynamic knowledge base for all teams, enhancing cross-functional collaboration and communication. And fourth, it employs an ecosystem approach. This means it integrates with other systems because it's designed to unify data. So instead of being a standalone system, asset operations management is part of a constellation of solutions. To successfully implement asset operations management, you need buy-in from all levels. This will likely represent a change in how your company operates, and some staff might resist that change. Alongside handling the technical aspects, the cultural and changeover process needs to be managed carefully to get everyone on board. Training employees on the purpose of asset operations management and showing how it will improve the workplace can help secure this buy-in. Remember, the goal is to move from disconnected silos to a growing ecosystem. Whether you're out in the field doing the maintenance or making operational decisions, everyone is equally important. Asset operations management is about bringing together all stakeholders within one system. The next generation of work is possible, necessary, and it starts with all of us. Thank you for watching this video. We have covered the importance of asset operations management, its role in unifying teams and data, and the 4 elements that ensure its long-term value. If you found this information useful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your team, visit our website at upkeep.com.